Hey everyone, the ASUS Vivobook Pro 15 is a powerful 15.6-inch laptop tailored for creators and gamers, offering a blend of high-end performance and premium features. Priced at $1,500, it is a compelling option for those seeking a versatile machine capable of handling demanding tasks. At its core, the laptop is powered by an Intel Core Ultra 9285H processor, which includes a 13 TOPS NPU for efficient offline AI tasks and an NVIDIA RTX 4050 GPU with 6 GB VRAM, supporting advanced features like DLSS 3 and ray tracing. This combination ensures smooth performance for gaming, 3D rendering, and creative workloads. Additionally, the inclusion of a MUX switch allows users to toggle between prioritizing battery life or maximizing GPU performance, adding flexibility depending on usage scenarios. The Vivobook Pro 15 boasts a stunning 15.6-inch 3K OLED display with a resolution of 2880 by 1620, offering vibrant colors and deep contrast. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, 0.2 milliseconds response time, and a peak brightness of 500 nits. The screen is ideal for both gaming and content creation. It covers 100% of the DCI-P 3-color gamut and comes with certifications like Dolby Vision, Pantone Validation, and VESA Display HDR True Black 600, ensuring color accuracy and HDR performance. The display is also TUV Rhineland certified, reducing blue light emissions for eye comfort during extended use. In terms of design and build, the laptop is relatively portable for its class, weighing 1.8 kilograms and measuring 19.95 millimeters in thickness. The ASUS Ice-Cool Pro cooling system, featuring 3 vents, 5 heat pipes, and 2 fans, effectively manages the 125-watt combined TDP, maintaining consistent performance even under heavy workloads like gaming or 3D rendering. The inclusion of a 2 TB PCIe 4.0 SSD and up to 24 GB of LPDDR5X RAM ensures fast storage and multitasking capabilities, while Wi-Fi 6E provides reliable and high-speed connectivity. One of the standout features of the Vivobook Pro 15 is the ASUS Dial Pad, a unique rotary control integrated into the touchpad that allows for precise adjustments in creative applications like Photoshop. The addition of a dedicated Copilot key provides quick access to Windows 11's AI features, enhancing productivity. The laptop also includes a 5-megapixels IR camera, which supports Windows Hello for secure login and offers features like background blur and noise suppression during video calls, making it a great tool for remote work or content creation. Port selection is comprehensive, with Thunderbolt 4, USB 3.2, Gen 2 Type-C, HDMI 2.1, an SD card reader, and RJ45 Ethernet, catering to a wide range of peripherals and external displays. The audio experience is elevated by Harman Kardon-tuned speakers with Dolby Atmos support, delivering immersive sound quality. The 75-watt-hour battery supports fast charging, reaching 50% capacity in just 30 minutes, which is a convenient feature for users on the go. Overall, the ASUS Vivobook Pro 15 is a well-rounded laptop that excels in performance, display quality, and creative functionality. Its combination of powerful hardware, innovative features like the ASUS Dial Pad, and a premium OLED display make it an excellent choice for creators and gamers alike. At $1,500, it offers strong value for its specifications and is available through retailers like B&H. Whether you're editing high-resolution videos, designing graphics, or gaming, the Vivobook Pro 15 is a capable and versatile machine that delivers on multiple fronts. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the new laptop? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.